Steven Can't Cook Green Curry from Scratch Edition. And this is our spread from the Asian market. Beautiful colors, beautiful greens. We're going to start off with our lemongrass here. Fresh lemongrass from Mama Chow's garden. We're just going to cut it down because we're going to get everything here into the blender. We got some lime leaves also from Mama Chow's garden that we're just going to take off the stem. And here we have our jalapeños from earlier, washed, and we're going to chop it up into our blender. I have about 7 or 8 jalapeños. This is about a quarter cup of green Thai chilies. That's our cut up lemongrass, and about a quarter cup of garlic, which we keep frozen, so that's why it looks like that. We have some red onions sliced up with a little bit of white onions left over that we're going to throw in. We have some lime zest, and there is our lime leaves. Everything's going to go into our blender for our homemade green curry juice / paste, whatever you want to call it. We're going to add some green bell peppers, some Thai basil. Everything here is washed and dried. 1 tablespoon of salt, and our secret here is shrimp paste. In Vietnamese, we call this mắm ruốc. You can use any brand or type you like. We're going to add a little bit of water so we can blend it up easily here. Since I didn't have space earlier, we're going to add our cilantro for that extra flavor and green color. And this is our green curry paste, green curry juice, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to do a big batch here. We're going to freeze the rest. Hit it with some freshly cracked black pepper. And boom, this is our green curry concoction. We have some chicken breasts that I'm just going to thinly slice. About 1 pack from Costco. Thawed out, dried out, and thinly sliced. For our protein of choice, you guys can use beef, shrimp, whatever you want, tofu. Alright, so here's all our veggies. We have our Thai eggplant, green and red bell peppers, and some bamboo shoots. Those are from the can that you can find at any Asian market. I love bamboo shoots in curry. So we're adding that, and then here we're just blanching everything with hot water. This process just cleaning out the veggies, cleaning out the chicken, so it just has a cleaner taste when it enters the curry. You guys can do this with hot boiling water or use your water heater to kind of give it a quick rinse. Alright, let's get to cooking. We got some coconut milk. Into our wok it goes, and our green curry juice. And we're going to reduce this down a bit until the house becomes fragrant. Cook that coconut, cook that curry down, and your house is going to smell very fragrant, garlicky, lemongrassy. Just a beautiful thing. So take your time here. You're going to see it get a little darker, and that's what you want. And then here we're going to add our blanched veggies and our blanched chicken, and we're going to let this rock for another 4 to 5 minutes till the veggies get al dente enough and the chicken is fully cooked. Let's finish it off with a little bit of sugar to sweeten that out, and then we're going to hit it with some fish sauce. And that's it. This is basically our seasoning. Very simple, very clean. We're out of sugar, so I'm just going to add a little bit more honey water after tasting, and a little bit more fish sauce to balance out that umami. And look at that beautiful color. All the veggies are in there. The chicken is perfectly cooked, and we're ready to serve.
Peppers, got bamboo shoots.
You know, curry has to go with fresh, delicious jasmine white rice, fresh out of the rice cooker. Throw in our Thai basil and mix it in last so it doesn't overcook and it still has that crunch. Boom, some fresh jasmine rice. And here is Kim giving it a taste test. My first time making this here. Miss Kimberly Chow. Approved. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. What shall we cook